guys, welcome back to Budget Friendly Cooking. I am Donna and today we're going to make granola. It's very simple. I've been making granola for a few years already and it's oat based. I have this big bag of oats which I buy at Costco, and usually I don't measure those things, but I'm gonna measure it for you to make you feel more comfortable. So I have my scale on 0 right now, and let's do, all right, that's a good amount for about 3 12-ounce bags. This is about 1 pound of oats. I'm gonna put it aside, and for that amount I'm gonna add 1 cup pumpkin seeds. So you can use, in granola, you can use any kind of dried fruits and nuts that you like or you have at home. Right now I have pumpkin seeds, and I like to add almonds because we like almonds. You can add pecans, you can add hazelnuts, walnuts, sunflower seeds are great too. So with the big nuts like even the hazelnuts, pecans, and almonds, I like to chop roughly. So just like that, put them on the cutting board and just give it a rough chop, because you don't want the huge chunks of nuts in your granola. So that's it. I'm gonna chop the rest of them and add it to my oats, and then do the rest of the ingredients. When you make granola at home, it's good that you can control the fat and sugar consistency in that, so you can add any kind of fat that you like. I like to use coconut oil and either maple syrup or honey, whatever I have at home. So I don't add any canola oil or butter, although you can add that too. Okay, this is my last almond, and I'm gonna start my oven on 250 to bake convection bake. All right, I think that looks like a good ratio of oats and dried nuts. You can add more, you can add less, so that's a good thing too when you're making at home. So you can control the amount of dried nuts and fruits as well. So you can put whatever you like and as much as you like. All right, and I have half a cup of coconut oil that is melted, and I'm gonna add half a cup of honey. So this amount might be more than I need right now, but it's okay. So I'm gonna mix it in the jar. So the thing that I'm going to do is just shake it so that it's one smooth consistency, and that they are not separated like the honey and olive oil, the coconut oil. All right, see that? So that is perfect. And I'm gonna just add gradually and see how it goes. If I need more, I'll do more, but I think this is more than I need. I'm gonna start adding just half. Okay, and just stir. Make sure that it's all well incorporated. And I also want to add just a little flavor. So I have a couple of like 5 cardamom pods and few cloves, which gives nice flavor to my granola. But make sure that you take it out, or you have to find it then, because if you bite on them, it's not gonna taste really good. All right, see that? Okay, have to make sure that it's well stirred and everything is coated with coconut oil and honey. I'm also gonna add a little bit of shredded coconut unsweetened, just to give extra flavor. So about half a cup. If you don't have it, don't use it. But I have it at home, so why not? And then we move this mixture on a baking sheet and bake it. That's it pretty much. So I didn't add dried fruits right now because I don't want to overcook them, because if you leave it like for 45 minutes or that long, that when I'm cooking my granola, then it gets very hard and crispy. So I like to have like medium consistency, like not too soft but not too hard either. So that was a perfect amount for my baking sheet. So you can look at that. I'm going to show it closer, just like that. And I'm going to pop it in the oven. And this is the only time that I set up my timer. So I like to do like 10-15 minutes and then stir. So I'm going to set it up for 15 minutes and then stir, and then we can check. Alright, meanwhile, I'm going to chop my apricot, dried apricot. Well, I like to add dried cranberries or dried blueberries or any other dried fruit pretty much, but right now I only have dried apricots, and I like to chop them because you don't want these huge chunks in your granola. You want like small little bites, right? And we do for our dessert or breakfast, we make this yogurt with fruit, topped with fruit and granola. It's so beautiful and it's very delicious and healthy for you. So we always have granola at home, and it's a good gift to give away as well. So you make it, make a lot, big batch, and you can share it with your friends and enjoy yourself as well. All right, let's check it. So my granola's in the oven for about 40 minutes now. And you can see the color. So I stir a couple of times already. And I like it, but I want to give a little more color. So I'm going to put it back for another 10 or 15 minutes, set a timer. But right now I'm going to add my chopped apricots. Doesn't look enough, but it's okay. You can always add fresh in our yogurt, right? Alright, make sure we stir and mix, and that smells fantastic. When you guys make granola at home, your house is gonna smell so delicious, like coconut cake. Alright, this is ready, guys. This is a beautiful golden brown color, nicely toasted. So if you see those guys close, pick them out, okay, while you're stirring. It's easy. Okay, another one. And make sure you count before you put them so that you know how many of them you pick them out. Alright, that's it pretty much. So as I already said, it's so simple and so easy to make it at home, and you know, you can balance the amount of nuts and fruits and sugar and oil yourself. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week.